Now, most string instruments, like guitars and basses and violins, follow what is called linear tuning, and that means you got a string down here with a low note, and then all the strings go in ascending order of tone. Linear means a line, lowest note to highest note. Now, most ukuleles are not in linear tuning, they're in what's called reentrant tuning, and that just means mixed up. And you'll hear it as I play the strings here. So when I play the G string, G, it's playing a note up here. And now when I play the C note, C is down here. G, C. So the fourth string is actually higher than the third string. And then we have E and A, and they go in order. So C, E, A do go in order, but then we have G over here kind of throwing us off. And reentrant tuning can impact our ability to play melodies, and you're going to hear that when we play the ding ding dong part of Frere Jacques. Now, you may have noticed this before if you were tuning up your instrument, or maybe if you have experience playing instruments that are in linear tuning, this may have thrown you off. But reentrant tuning is kind of a quirk of the ukulele, and it gives it that sort of classic, upbeat, bright sound. So it is something we just have to work around. Now, most ukuleles will be in reentrant tuning, but if you have a larger one, like this is the tenor right here, this one has a low G string, and it looks a lot more like a guitar string. And when I play it, you'll hear that it's playing the G that's one octave lower than the string on that one. G, C, G, C. Now, when it comes to reentrant and linear tuning, there is no better choice that you should be making. They're just different. If you have an instrument with a low G string, you may like that because it allows you to play a few more notes, but you do sacrifice some of that classic ukulele sound. And if you have an instrument that's in reentrant tuning, you will have that classic iconic ukulele sweet sound, but it will make playing melodies a bit more of a challenge. But we're just going to make do with whatever you have as we go ahead and play that second half of Frere Jacques.